Are you a sales executive looking to get into the global economy, perfecting your English to make a difference? Have you been in a meeting with a native English speaker and you're lost for words? I'm sure you've heard of spin selling. So you've had a moment to connect with the person and now you're just a little lost. This is the time to ask those situational questions from Spin. Situation questions lay the groundwork. They're your tools to gather key information about your client's current situation. Ask questions like, can you describe your current software infrastructure? To understand their technical environment. What are the main business functions supported by your existing software? To identify crucial operational needs. And don't forget to check, what is your timeline for making upgrades? To gauge urgency and planning scope. Perfecting your situational questions is really going to set you up for some powerful problem solving in your consultative selling process. Get this down and don't spend too much time on situational questions. You've got to play it by ear. Teacher Bert here. Look at my profile. Join my free community. Have a great day.